Darlings, today I'm going to show you how to create a rose quartz inspired eye look. Rose quartz has a sweet, soft pink hue and a strong, energetic connection to the heart chakra. I'll be using my new Stars in Your Eyes palette and Superstar lips. Sweep the prime shade over the entire eyelid using my blender brush. Dip the blender brush into the enhanced shade and blend this into the socket and across the eyelid. Using the smudger brush, go along the top and bottom lash lines, smudging it in. Glide my Feline Flick eyeliner pen along the upper lash line to elongate your eyes. And finish with Lashings of Legendary Lashes Volume 2 mascara. Superstar lips in Happy Lips for a sumptuous looking pout. A brand new texture that glides onto the lips with a creamy feel. The most fabulous skin gilding product. It's called Bar of Gold and it can be used in a C shape on the cheekbones, down the centre of the nose and along your décolletage for an instant spotlit effect. Get ready for romance this holiday season. Shop the full look and all of my cosmic gifts now at charlottetilbury.com.